Hi mga ka-enchanted! Good day!
For today's video, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang pinakamalupit na drainage canal sa buong mundo. This is your off-duty engineer. Let's go! Right now, nandito po ako sa aming hometown, Kiamba, Sarangani Province, located at the most southern tip of Mindanao Island. It is 96 kilometers away from General Santos City, where you can travel for only 1 hour and 30 minutes. In this place, you can find the most beautiful tourist spots in the province of Sarangani,
Which is the Tuka Marine Nature Park.
So now guys, ipapakita ko na po sa inyo ang drainage canal na nasa tabi lang po ng aming bahay. So, ito na nga ang pinangalanan kong Kiamba Enchanted Canal. And guys, para sa inyo, sumubok akong mamingwit ng isang piraso para naman mabisualize nyo kung gaano kalaki ang aming mga isda dito. At kita nyo naman guys, isang balde, isang piraso. At kung titimbangin po natin ito, more or less 4 to 5 kilo. Ang length naman po nito is 1 feet and a half. At ang width naman po nito is 11 inches. So guys, nakita nyo naman kung gaano kaganda, kalinis at kalaki ng mga isda
Sa aming drainage canal. And mga ka-enchanted, the location of Kiamba Enchanted Canal is only 50 meters away from Kiamba Municipal Plaza.
Hope you enjoy our videos. This is your off-duty engineer. Thank you so much.